Hi KVG Hi 326 Express. I'm a lady aged 22. I don't have a good relationship with my mother because I walked in on her cheating on my dad. That led to their breakup when I was 19. My father moved out and he remarried last year. So through all this, I started getting closer to my dad and his relatives more. Last year, I went kuholiday kwatete, my dad's sister. I think I made the worst mistake of my life trusting her and opening up about my relationship. She asked me if I had a boyfriend and I told her yes. We had plans to marry soon, kana, yabatana. I told her that he is relocating to America, and immediately after that, she asked kuti, uchiri mskana, and I responded yes. She laughed so hard and said to me, saka urikuti is going to wait for you. Long story short, she encouraged me to be intimate with my boyfriend, and I did. I regret it because I am now pregnant. I haven't told anyone. What makes this situation difficult is my boyfriend left last month. Arikushanda in a cruise ship. I'm not sure how I'm going to handle this issue. I couldn't exactly tell my mom about this, so I just went kunatete last week and she totally flipped the story on me, saying, why didn't you use protection? She took me to my mom and said, mwana ngaende kumurume wake. Murume upi when she knows he left nai. I'm really broken because when I told my mother that my boyfriend is in America, she said, tonga enye ii na tete vako na baba vako. I'm caught in between people that don't really care about me, my mom and my aunt. This really hurt my feelings. Should I tell my dad what my aunt did? How she encouraged me to be intimate with my boyfriend? Will it not ruin their relationship? Same way I ruined my father and my mother's relationship. Please assist.